That's a good carp.
Dude, it's really fat. I didn't think she was this big.
That's all we need, right? I doubt we need more
yeah,
bait.
that's probably all we need. Well, we got bait. It's a good shot.
Alright guys, so right now we are gar fishing and we came to get food, me and my friend Gilbert, and so they just called right now because we're right down the road and they asked where we're at, and they were checking if we're close because supposedly they have like a 6-footer on. Judging that Garrick is the one who said it was a 6-footer, it's probably a 4-footer, but we'll see when we get there.
He ran to the wall. He did that the first time.
Oh.
Bro, as soon as y'all left.
As soon as you left, the float started taking off.
You have the rope?
It's over there.
Go get the rope. Austin, hold the rope.
I let him run for like a minute and a
Hold
half.
what?
Hold the rod.
Or just, or whatever. Yeah.
That's the second time we ran into the wall.
I know. Dude, the first time he hit it way harder.
The whole freaking floor vibrated.
Can you stop cussing?
Oh, sorry.
We're all taking a picture with this dude. Squad picture.
We'll kneel down. Or do you want to take one of those badass mouth pictures?
Stop cussing.
That's fine. It's a butt.
Like the ones they put on Instagram where they hold them and the mouth is like front.
I'll do the rope.
We were about to go to McDonald's.
You want to do the rod down?
I mean, we can eat gar nuggets.
Look, this is how we're film this. This is how we're gonna do the rope.
Will's not gonna want to kill it.
No,
I know.
I'm not gonna kill it.
Guide it through the rod.
I'm pulling.
Make sure you get behind the pectoral.
Yeah. In case he takes off, just wait. I'm gonna do the rope. So someone hold the rod.
Austin.
Okay.
I hold it?
Yeah. I'm gonna hold the rod.
What is this? A 45?
Yeah.
4,500 burrito.
I need to bring this a lot lower.
Okay, hold on. He's gonna take off.
Hold the rod out and there. Reel and walk over here. Can you reel and walk?
Yeah.
Keep pinching on him. Keep pinching on him. Keep pinching on him.
Because I like me filming.
We got a reel.
Bring him. Yeah, no, you gotta reel, Austin. No.
Here.
Are you gonna?
I have the light.
Here, film. Make sure you film good. Please look through the phone. And don't cover the mic.
Oh, crud. What are you bringing him this way for?
Man.
I said, why are you bringing him this way? Now I gotta let go of the rope. I've got a cramp in my leg now.
Get ready to hold.
Oh no, I gotta get behind his fins. Pull him this way. Pull him that way.
Yeah, go around me. $200-year-old fish?
No, not even.
No.
Oh, dude, this guy, 12 feet.
I was kidding.
I know, he said he was gonna do that.
You have the measuring tape?
Yeah.
Let's bring him up over here.
Stop recording?
Nah, keep recording. Take the harness off. I'm tired.
Untie it right there.
Oh, that's true.
So girthy.
So girthy. Oh, stop him from going over there. Don't reach your rod. I grabbed the line.
Oh, don't slap me. I'll slap you back.
Okay. I need to make a thing now for jaws.
Austin, do you want to record?
Nah, you can record. Just make sure you get him in the frame.
I'm gonna need someone to help with this.
With what?
Holding the jaws open,
Okay, I'll do it.
but I'm gonna need 2 people.
Austin, turn on my side projecting beams. Okay, they'll be wide open. He's all bleeding from the tip of his mouth.
God darn it, I gotta get the straw.
So now, that was so awkward.
Maybe so.
17-minute video.
Mine's probably like 30.
No,
that's-
yours
that
is.
mine. I thought it was yours. I was like, oh wow.
No, mine's like probably 4 minutes.
This. I'm gonna try slipped on it.
How about I just do it with my hands? That'd be a good video.
That was not a slip knot. Come on, dude. The more you cooperate, the faster you can get in the water. Who's got boots on? Gilbert, come here.
So,
Come step on his bottom jaw to keep it down.
Where's that hook? How far?
It shouldn't be that far. Is it far?
Let me see.
Hold on.
Ooh, yeah, it's kind of far. Well, like not that far, but
Okay, wait. No, and then I'm gonna get another
no,
one to
it's
the
in
bottom
his,
of
it's
the
in his throat. You're gonna have to just put scissors in there and cut it.
You need longer pliers in the
jaw. Oh,
in the
that's
middle glove
really far
compartment.
down his throat.
in the middle
Okay.
glove compartment, Austin. There's
I'm just gonna have-
pliers.
I would just cut it.
I'm just gonna cut it through the side of his gill.
Okay. So he's gonna put the pliers in
I
the
got
side of the
longer
gill,
pliers
because it's
in the
another
truck.
access to the mouth.
Hold on.
And
While
he's
you're
gonna-
sitting
he's
on
gonna cut.
the plier, the wire cutters.
Just make sure you don't cut his gill.
I just don't want to get hit by the.
Head thrash.
Yeah. God darn it.
Those teeth.
How far is it down?
It's gut,
Cut.
but it's fine. It'll
Bro,
it'll
the
rot out.
teeth are like barbed.
He's in a kick. Hold this. I don't even know if I can go through this gill.
Gill.
Ow, that hurts. Oh yeah, I can. Whoa, that almost got my hand.
I just heard the thump of his mouth.
And you could see why they
Hold the
call
head that
them
way.
gator gar.
Slipping on it?
Okay, I feel it. Hold this now. Pull it. You have a light? Someone have another light? No?
Where's my light? It's in my pocket.
Can you follow? Okay, right now, Austin, follow this up on my hand.
Okay, where?
Just follow it up.
Oh.
Follow it up on my hand.
Follow
No,
what up?
the pliers
Oh, okay.
on my finger.
Right here?
Ow, he's crushing it.
With his gill.
Yeah.
I have longer pliers.
Oh wait, I feel the treble hook right here. Follow it down.
Down.
Here. Stick it in.
Stick it in where? On the top or the bottom?
Just go in between my fingers.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
You're good. Go. Push. Make sure they're closed. Push.
Okay.
Okay.
Now he's trying to cut the wire.
Got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Now, get the rope off, take a picture with them, and we'll release them.
Actually, leave the rope on. I'll get a mouth pick like that open.
Here, get over here, Gilly. You
Right?
take it because I want to get in it too with him.
I'm taking the picture.
Mouth pick opener.
Or what?
Yeah, let Garrick's phone's taking the picture.
Yeah,
I
one
stop
picture by
recording
yourself,
or-
and then I want
Nah,
to
keep recording.
Record.
Hold it. Let Gilbert hold it or something.
Make sure you look through the phones.
This is really scary right now. How do people, do they hold it up in their hand?
They hold them in the water.
What you got to do is you got to get those big gardening gloves. All right, come get a picture, Garrick.
Yeah, this side, a picture, Garrick.
That side?
You wear your hat?
Is my hair bad?
Yeah. Backwards or
Yeah,
forward?
backwards.
Backwards?
No, the things in the... There you go.
Wait. Hold on. Best part about hunting and fishing, got to get that picture.
Don't worry, they can last
Yeah.
outside of the water for a good while.
Yeah, they breathe air.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, now one with me.
Hold on.
Hold on. This
Right
thing's
there.
heavy.
Right there. 1, 2.
There. Okay. See my phone?
I'm putting the harness back on him now.
Nah, I just dump him in.
No, I'm gonna revive him.
I don't think you have to with a guard,
No,
bro.
I'm gonna revive him. The last one I held there for like 20 minutes.
Okay, who's recording? I gotta go check the other lines.
Me and Austin recording. So he's right there.
I'll go check the
I'm
other
gonna do it by the gills, right? I should. Besides the pectoral fins.
Yeah. It'll be easier.
Chill, my dude. Chill.
I'll be right back when he gets it on. We're in
You gotta wash him.
McAllen, Texas.
Watch out. I can't do that. No, there he goes.
He'll kick off right now. I didn't even get to him.
If he turns around, we'll see his white belly anyway.
And then we'll arrow shot him.
Pretty much.
Or I'll get in and go get him.